This video explores the possibilities of AI generated music of Pakistani and Indian singers like Lata, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, Mohammad Rafi, Atif Aslam, Rahat, Arijit, Udit, Rahman, and various others. Last week, an alternative reality concept album imagining another else's album featuring the band's 1995 to 1997 line went up viral online, sparking further debate about the future of music and AI. The eight-track album, titled The Lost Tapes Volume 1 and under the name Else's, featured music and lyrics written by the real-life band Breezer, but with Liam's AI-generated voice singing them. Breezer's musician Bobby Girardi said that many people had assumed the music and lyrics were written by AI too. There is an entire universe of AI enriched music that's about to explode open. As an Oasis fan for the last 24 years, this is 100% Oasis. Incredible. Also worth calling out, this is AI enriched, not AI generated music, which I'm talking about. I think that is going to be the key to the massive coming shift. Now, can AI compose music like legendary Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan of Pakistan? Or can AI sing like Lata of India? Can AI produce lyrics, tunes, and songs like A.R. Rahman? AI is still very much controlled by the user. You need to feed it exactly what it needs to replicate. I don't think it's at the point where AI could write a song. Although, having said that, a lot of people have asked if the music was AI generated, which it's not, but it seems so real. Songwriting has long been associated with the inherent ability to be soulful, but now one Google search will throw up endless AI capable of making lyricism universal. For example, audio for song lyrics and poetry, Jarvis for banishing a writer's block, and ChatGPT for anything, everything, and more. Songs arise out of suffering and misery, as far as I know. Algorithms don't feel. Ask ChatGPT to write me a song in the style of Beyonce, and the software will do so quicker than you can listen to cuff it. I walk into the room, light shining on me, everybody's watching. I am the queen bee, and various other. The software is an efficient and fairly convincing, but very cringy at the moment. But while artificial intelligence may seem like the future of music writing, language models like ChatGPT are a big contradiction at the moment because modern technology can only ever look backwards. There is no human ingenuity. It's not like AI went out, fell in love, had its heart broken, saw the sunrise, got drunk, and then there are a lot of other variables which come into the play. Machines can only do so much. It is scary for sure. The idea of a machine writing a song, I do worry AI will dilute people's music tastes to the extent that it's either impossible to tell what's been written by a machine versus human, or the public will prefer AI songwriting. That's a dangerous place for the world to be, for an artist anyway. The bar will be set so high with such little effort that for someone to be of an equal standard to technology, they would need years of practice and experience to compete. New technology has always provoked fear. In the early days of telephone, people speculated whether the device could communicate with the dead. When personal computers arrived in the early 1980s, so did computer phobia, the fear of touching, engaging with, or being replaced by the machine. And in 2023, the anxiety of the day, scaring everyone from data analysts to the paralegal, is the idea that artificial intelligence is coming for their jobs, including hit making songwriters. Here is my final thought on this. If you're a songwriter whose job in the studio is just to patch up and do a song like a collage of all the pop songs in the past, you're done. Your days are numbered. But if you're a real talented super musician and singer like Nusrat, Lata, and various others, then AI is an enabler for you. AI enhances and enriches the human creative process and pushes us to be better. When a musician gets stuck on a line, AI could give them different metaphors, sort of creating a superhuman. Welcome to this new brave world. Thanks.